Hello friends, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today here we will see the important points regarding the Torch complexes. Okay, so Torch complexes are the complex. Ultimately, this is the group of infection that is infected by a kind of a mother. Okay, so that is called as the Torch complexes. So let's see their particular information regarding the Torch complexes. The development of common complex symptom in infant due to the infection with the different microorganisms that include the toxoplasmosis, rubella, cytomegalovirus, herpes simplex virus. Okay, TORCH means the TO means toxoplasmosis. Okay, R means rubella, and then C means cytomegalovirus, and H means herpes simplex virus. Okay, so these are the infection अल्टीमेटली ट्रांसप्लेसेंटली और यू कैन से वर्बल ट्रांसमिशन जिन्हें हम बोलते हैं. ओके, तो बाय वर्बल ट्रांसमिशन या फिर ट्रांसप्लेसेंटली मदर से पर्टिकुलर इन्फेक्शन फीटस को रिसीव होता है, और जिसकी वजह से जो फीटस जो होता है या फिर जो इन्फेंट होता है उसमें बहुत सारे क्रोमोजोमल एबनॉर्मलिटीज़ आते हैं या फिर फीटल डेथ भी होती है जिन्हें हम इंट्रा यूट्राइन डेथ भी बोलते हैं. ओके, तो दीज आर द इन्फेक्शन. ओके, दैट इज़ कॉमनली सीन इन द मदर. ओके, एंड दैट्स वाई जो ANC की जो केयरिंग होती है, एंटीनेटल जो केयरिंग होती है, उनमें हम पर्टिकुलर इन्फेक्शन को डिटेक्ट करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर स्क्रीनिंग, सेकंड ट्राइमेस्टर स्क्रीनिंग, थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर स्क्रीनिंग में अल्टीमेटली ये सभी स्क्रीन को हम मतलब रूल आउट करने के लिए कि आइदर दिस इन्फेक्शन इज मदर इज इन्फेक्टेड विथ और नॉट. ओके, द इन्फेक्शन में एक्वायर्ड बाय द फीटस ड्यूरिंग द इंट्रायूट्रल लाइफ और पेरीनेटली. ओके, पेरीनेटली and damage the fetus or infants. As I said, the same symptom produced by the torch organism are indistinguishable, okay, from each other. Its common practice is in a suspected pregnant mother or infant to test all the four main torch agent. Okay, all the four main torch agent, that is called as a toxoplasmosis, rubella, cytomegalovirus and herpes simplex virus. So whatever the symptoms, or you can say the toxicity what they produce, okay, that is indistinguishable. They, you can't particular different. Okay, you can't distinguish that particular one infection. Okay, and that's why you have to perform the all torch. You have to perform all the infection. Okay, you have to perform the ruling of this all infection. Okay, the all the microorganisms in the torch complex are transmitted transplacentally and therefore infect the fetus from the mother. Okay, herpes and cytomegalovirus infection are common intrapartum infection acquired venereally. Okay, venereally that is nothing but sexual transmitted particular infection है. cytomegalovirus infection और जो herpes जो हमारा simplex virus जो infection होता है जहाँ पे बहुत सारे चैंक्रोइड्स, बहुत सारे अल्सर जो बने हुए रहते हैं जेनिटल ऑर्गन में, तो ड्यूरिंग इंट्रापार्टम ड्यूरिंग द डिलीवरी, ओके, वहाँ पे वो इन्फेक्शन फीटस को रिसीव होता है. And that's a particular movement during the transition. Okay, the fetus from intrauterine life to the extrauterine life during the delivery. Okay, that infection is received by the particular fetus. Okay, so that is common infection is received by the fetus during the delivery. Okay, that is during the intrapartum period, the herpes cytomegalovirus infection. Okay, the toxoplasmosis is a protozoal infection acquired by the contact with cat feces or by injection of the uncooked meat. Okay, that is the source by the toxoplasmosis or by that protozoal infection is that particular protozoal infection get infects particular mother, or mother get infected by protozoal infection by contact with the cat feces or by ingesting a uncooked meat, or you can say unripe meat. Okay, the rubella is teratogenic in pregnant mother. Okay, teratogenic means they causes the particularly chromosomal abnormalities in fetus. Okay, and that's why it is called the teratogenic. Okay, में बहुत सारे ऐसे teratogenic substance होते हैं. तो अगर कोई मदर स्मोकिंग करती है या फिर वो पर्टिकुलरली तंबाकू प्रोडक्ट अगर कंज्यूम करती है तो वो भी टेराटोजेनिक इन नेचर होते हैं, एंड दे लीड्स टू द क्रोमोसोमल एब्नॉर्मलिटीज, और यू कैन से बहुत सारे जो डिफेक्ट होते हैं पॉलीडेक्टिली. ओके, वॉट एवर यू कैन से, तो वो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. ओके, तो 10% ऑफ मदर इन्फेक्टेड विद द मोनोन्यूक्लियोसिस लाइक डिसीज हुज इन्फेंट हैव अ टॉक्सोप्लाज्मा इन्फेक्शन. Genital herpes infection is present in 20% of the mother whose newborn baby suffer from herpes infection. And rubella infection during the acute stage in the first 10 weeks of pregnancy is more harmful to the fetus than at later stage of the gestation. And that's why the regular screening of the mother during their pregnancy, okay, that is a must, or that is a mandatory to rule out this torch infection. Otherwise, if the mother get infected this kind of torch infection, or you can say toxoplasmosis, cytomegalovirus, herpes simplex virus, or you can say rubella virus, okay, then fetus may chances having a kind of a chromosomal abnormalities, or you can say have a kind of birth defect, okay, have a chances of miscarriage, have a chances of particularly spontaneous abortion, okay. So there are number of complication may arise due to this particular torch infection, okay. Once the mother get infected, there is a chances of there is a higher risk of the infection, okay, in the next pregnancy also. That's why the regular screening of the mother during the delivery or during the pregnancy, that is a must, okay. The classical feature of syndrome produced by the Torch complex are seen in the congenital rubella. The feature include the ocular defect. So here you can see the number of defect, okay, if the mother get infected with our torch infection, okay. Ocular defect, fetus or child may delivered with a particular ocular defect, okay. Cardiac defect, then central nervous system manifestation, then sensory neural defect, okay, thrombocytopenia and hepatosplenomegaly. So these are the kind of feature, or you can say defect problem may seen in the fetus if the mother get infected with the torch, okay. And that's why the regular screening, that is must, okay. The fetal damage caused by the torch complex infection is irreparable, or you can say, and therefore prevention and immunization are the best mode of therapy, okay. That is irreparable, that we can't repair it, okay. And that's a prevention is a particular treatment, okay. Prevention is a treatment. Here you can see the particular defect, okay. Macrocephaly, then macroophthalmia, okay, छोटे छोटे उसके eyes रहते हैं. Then pneumonitis, हिपेटोमेगेली, लीवर इन्लार्जमेंट होगा. स्प्लेनोमेगेली, ओके, हार्ट डिफेक्ट रहता है, वल्वर डिफेक्ट रहते हैं, हार्ट डिफेक्ट रहता है, देन डेक्स्ट्रोकार्डिया रहता है, ओके. देन जॉन्टिस, देन पेटेचिया परप्यूरा, और दिस आर द पर्टिकुलरली our bleeding disorders, okay, that also may happen, or that may seen in the particular child which infected with the torch, okay. So that is nothing but our torch complex. I have just described in short, okay, whatever the meaning of the torch. And the torch infection include, that is a toxoplasmosis, rubella, cytomegalovirus and herpes simplex virus, okay. So that is about the torch infection.